Ruskin Spear plays. Go and meet him. Hello, Roger. Hello, Mike. What are you going to play for us?
I'm going to play the leg.
Same to you.
Well, now that he's gone, I'd like to continue the performance by actually performing Whispering, that's old melody on the leg. The leg's a theremin, and it's an old musical instrument, quite an old one. It's an electronic version of the saw. And it reacts to bodies, any part of the body, getting in touch with it. So if the band starts, I'll play the melody for you. Let's wait for them to start.